Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu says, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not say that Hazrat Isa alayhi salam was of red complexion, but said, one day I was circumambulating the Kaaba in my dream when I saw a man of whitish complexion, straight hair, going taking support of two men, and water was dripping from his head, or he was squeezing water from the hair of his head. I asked, who is he? The people said, he is the son of Mary. Then I cast glance and saw another red complexioned, fat and curly headed man, blind in the right eye, looked like a swelled grape. I inquired, who is he? The people said, he is Dajjal. The one who bears the closest resemblance to him among the people is Ibn Qatan. Zuhri said, he, Ibn Qatan, belonged to Khuza, who died during the period of ignorance. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3441.